train accidents don't just happen to humans. They also affect animals who aren't as aware as we are. Trains can't stop abruptly, so accidents happen frequently. Hence, these are the most terrifying moments of animals being hit by trains caught on camera. Before that, subscribe to Nemotion so we can create more videos like this. Let's get started. From a distance, the train has already sounded its horn to prompt the cow to cross the railway tracks more quickly. However, the cow doesn't perceive the train as a danger signal. So, this is what happens. However, I'm surprised by the humans casually passing by in this footage. In this clip, a bird is flying low and meets an unfortunate fate. Coincidentally, a train is passing by at high speed, and this is what happens. The bird's feathers scatter in the air. Farewell, bird. A snake wants to cross the road, even though it's clear that a huge train is passing by. The snake's head kisses the train's wheel, then it wriggles in the middle of the road. Trains often hit animals because many train tracks pass through animals' natural habitats, which increasing the risk of collisions. Additionally, the animals may not recognize the train as a threat due to its large size, high speed, and loud engine noise, so they do not feel the need to avoid it. In addition, the presence of obstacles, such as fences or walls along the tracks, can also limit the animal's ability to move, thereby increasing the possibility of collisions. Bears are one of the most intelligent animals. The engineer has already given a warning, and a mama bear with her 2 cubs quickly moves aside from the track. Good job, bears. In South Asia, cows have become the most common victims. Various efforts have been made by transportation authorities and conservation organizations to address this issue. Hopefully, an effective solution will be found to reduce these incidents. We hope you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing to stay updated on future content. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and check out some of our other videos, and thanks for watching.